this clip I'll show you how to use the FreeCAD to make 3D model. Then after you made that 3D model, which is then object, you just put in the Prepromax to when you use in the engineering work. So you can find it out first, when there's something disrupted, then what would the shape of an object be like? Actually, but when we use our eyes to look at it, we're not gonna see it. But when we use computer, we understand it more clearly and more accurate information. So here we go. Part start, task create body, create sketch. I choose the YC plane. So and click OK. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the simple shape. If I just want to give it this shape, a square, maybe just for it. Okay, let me see first. YC. Okay, if I draw a rectangular prism, then I'm gonna do it like this: make it square, close the sketching, then I just padding it. Here we go. I just want it for maybe just 20 is fine. As your object get thick, then also the more frequency you will have in your Prepromax when you calculate it. So I think 5. If I just try it for 5. Okay, so here click OK. Then I'm just gonna save it first by export it. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna select it first, then just export into STL. Maybe I can just give the name by prism. It's just a name, don't worry about it. Then I come to Prepromax, create new. Okay, so change unit list. Then I'm going to import the file that I had already made before. And here we go. As you see, we got our model that we had drawn FreeCAD, and we put in Prepromax so we can look at it easier. Then after this, you just mesh it and create mesh. As long as it gives time to mesh, it also due to the model that your 3D object detail is more there's more detail on your object. So if it's just more detail, so many details on your object, then it takes a long time to create mesh. So let's go now. Wait a minute. Okay, so then we got our model, mesh part, solid part. Then we're gonna leave this one. So we just click on our material. We're gonna use that. So material library. We got our steel. Then let's click S185, which is the part of steel. Or maybe someone would like to use the alloy or plastic, but I use the steel. And click OK. Don't forget to put all section before you find frequency in this work. So create part surface section, change into part name, which is solid part. Let me change the name, the part name. So we're not gonna be it's more easier to look. So symbol beam applied, then let's click more again. I'm so sorry. Click simple beam. Let me check first. Okay, here we go. Then we're not gonna look at this one, so we're just going on step. So we use this program to find out frequency, to look at the frequency that when the object get this frequency, which is a natural frequency, then how does it vibrate? Does it too hard or too low? Like, does it fine, or it is quite dangerous for this work when you put it in real life? Okay, so it's like a frequency, number frequency. Okay, 10 is fine. So just click on, then Control BC and then fix like one part that we want to fix. So that part will move anyways, but the other will just move. So if I just want to fix this part, okay. So just click OK, then analyze it, run, then click OK. Here we go. We already run. We already analyze it already. So we just look at the result. And here we go. We got our project ready. So if you want to look at this side, so I just move it. Then you can change any color you want. In this one, I'm using the number which is in the general unit, but it's not gonna be in scientific unit, so I can change it later. Here, number format. I choose the scientific. Apply. Here, the numbers change, but I'm pretty sure to use the general number is better. Automatic, applied. Okay, so you can also change the colors you want also. Okay, so we're just gonna look at it, and here we go. We got our 3D model which is an object, so we just use to find the frequency. So you can see it here. The frequency is 2600. So when the frequency is 2600 up, then the object will get vibrates like this. But let's go to the next one. Now the frequency is getting more higher, so it's become from 2000 to 5000. So we just look how does it vibrate here. Okay, so then we're just going to like add the next one. And here we go. See, the frequency is getting changed from 2000 to 5000. Then the third one is become the 15,361 of frequency. So here we go. It's gonna be vibrate like this. Okay, so I just want to skip to the last one. Okay, look at this part. So here, just come look again. And here we go. We gotta fix this part. We will fix this side of an object, and we're gonna look at when there's something vibrates, when there's natural frequency get changed. So as you see, the last one they are like 70,066.13 of the frequency. So you're gonna vibrate like this. Okay, so and this is all I want to show you about from this clip. So thank you for all those who watched my video until now. So